Here's the always popular square body at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1984 Chevrolet K10 with a 4-inch suspension lift. Restored in gloss black paint. Red interior for a great two-tone color combination. Raised cowl hood, as you can see. 350 V8 that's been built underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission, nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. I do want to note the text stated that the compressor did not have the belt hooked up to it, just so you know. And as you can see, custom grille, a little bit of pitting. You'll see in the still pictures on this front bumper. Still shows well, but I wanted to point that out, make sure you're aware of it. Speaking of still pictures, take your time looking through the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. New 15-inch MT wheels, polished, good-looking wheel. Cooper tires that are just a little over a year old and very few miles. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see the paint has a nice finish to it, nice shine. This truck will definitely turn some heads, no doubt about that. We're going to start it up here at the end of the video, let you hear it run. Very end of the video, we're going to take this truck for a drive so you can see how it goes down the road. We'll put the camera in it, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. There's that. Nice red interior. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. As you can see, sliding rear window. Take a little closer look at that interior too when we get around to the driver's side. Another thing to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, and you can see how straight those long panels are in this truck. Bed rail protectors, as well as tailgate, and of course, bed liner in it. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pictures. Take your time looking through them. Underside, interior, engine bay. When we pop the hood, you're going to see it does have Edelbrock 4-barrel, HEI ignition, headers. We'll check that out in just a bit. If you like these old square body trucks, maybe they're into lifted trucks or high performance sports cars, classic cars, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to our channel here on YouTube. You never know what you may see if you just like checking out cars that come in. This is definitely a YouTube channel you want to subscribe to. Like I said, you'll see a lot of different things throughout the year. Videos being added daily. All right, let's go ahead and take a little closer look at this interior. Door panels looking nice. Vinyl cloth combination on the seat. Seat belt still intact. All right, let's check it out a little closer. Remember, 4-speed manual transmission. This truck does have a clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. That is a fastened seatbelt light that was on there. Temp gauge, that was a cold start. Oil pressure, voltmeter, of course fuel gauge. There is a Pioneer aftermarket stereo. Of course, manual transfer case. You can see the hole for that down there. And of course, your 4-speed manual transmission. Top of the dash looking good. How about that? Sure, we're in neutral. Headliner looks good. Flip around the back here so you can hear it run. Nothing crazy over the top, just nice sounding 350. Alright, let's slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second so I can get this hood open. We're going to check out this engine bay. And like I said, stick around to the very end of this video. You'll be able to take your virtual ride in this truck. There's a look underneath that raised cowl hood. nice and shiny, clean and tidy, just like the exterior of the truck. Here it is, 350 V8, power steering, power brakes. Here's most of the components, if not all, are there for the AC system, headers, HEI. Looks good with some of the chrome dress-up. Valve covers, air cleaner cover. Again, Edelbrock 4-barrel. There is a disconnect here for when it's in between drives or maybe when it's in storage. Good looking truck, 1984 Chevrolet K10. That 4-inch suspension lift. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1984 Chevrolet K10 pickup. This is a 4-speed on the floor, 4-wheel drive truck. Cowl induction hood. Really good stance. Good height on this truck. Let's see how she does out on the road. First gear's a little low, but that just means it's capable of pulling stuff in first gear. Nice running truck. Nice shifting. Fuel gauge is working, showing half a tank. Oil pressure showing almost 60. We got a little bit of slack in the steering, as you might expect from this age of truck. Our battery gauge is charging over 13, looks like maybe 14 volts. Temperature gauge has not come off of 100 yet. Go over radio. I didn't get that to power up. For being lifted with some big tires, this truck rides pretty good. Comfortable cloth bench seat in this truck. That squeak is the clutch pedal. Maybe a little bit of lube would get rid of that. Corners nicely. Doesn't lean very much, which is great for a lifted truck. Nice throaty exhaust sound in this truck. Very fun to drive. Lifted trucks are always fun. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this Chevy truck at UniqueClassicCars.com.